Hindi pabor si presidential son at House Majority Leader Sandro Marcos na ang Kamara ang mag-imbestiga sa maanumalya umanong flood control projects, lalo't kabilang daw sa mga pinagdududahan ay mga mambabatas. Mungkahin na isang kongresista magkaroon ng independent body sa investigasyon. Nakatutok si Mark Salazar.
Quezon City, Caloocan and Malabon.
Magsasagawa ang Kamara ng investigasyon sa umano'y maanumalyang flood control projects na pinuna ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Gagawin ito ng Tri-Committee, ang Public Accounts, Public Works at Good Government. Pero ang presidential son na si House Majority Leader Sandro Marcos, hindi pabor dito.
What do you say about criticisms that the House doesn't have the credibility to conduct its own investigation into flood control projects?
I actually agree.
And why, sir?
In what way, Majority?
Why would a body investigate itself?
Sabi nga ni Representative Marcos, kabilang sa mga pinaghihinalaan kasi ay mga mismong mambabatas.
I think we shouldn't get ahead of ourselves. Although the House, I believe, should assist in being able to identify where the anomalies are, I think it will be primarily the prerogative of the executive to be able to identify where these anomalies lie, given the fact that, again, the accused, so to speak, is within the legislature.
Dahil dito, sinabi ni Quezon Representative David Suarez na isang independent body ang mag-imbestiga.
We need a third party to look into it because, mag-Congress kasi mag-imbestiga, sasabihin na we're investigating ourselves. So dapat talaga may third party na mag-imbestiga.
Sir, are you open to a third-party investigation of the House and its possible ties to conduct?
I don't see anything wrong with that.
Kanina ay pinatawag ng House Committee on Public Accounts ang DPWH para magbigay linaw sa issue. Pero sinubukan silang pigilan ni Navotas Representative Toby Tiangco sa pagkwestiyon ng kanilang jurisdiction.
Kasama tayo sa tinitingnan dito. Dahil wala namang magiging kalokohan dito kung hindi napondohan. At yung budget nanggaling sa Kongreso. So Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang siguraduhin na talagang sinusunod natin ng stricto ang ating rules. Hindi po ba dapat ang committee na sumasakop dito ay yung good government and mas shoot siya doon?
Yung pong Committee on Public Accounts principally is a committee assigned to the minority.
Opo.
And the minority would like to be very relevant on current issues.
Okay.
Kung hindi po nagpatawag ng meeting yung Committee on Good Government, kami po, inunahan na namin.
Sa pulong kanina, hindi pa napag-uusapan ang maanumalyang flood control projects at hinimay lang muna ang problema sa baha. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Mark Salazar, nakatutok 24 oras.